right? 28th of September 2021. 28.9.2021. Correct? Very good. Okay, which day? What is today? Day.
Chambi?
Yes. Then I want you all to be in mute, please. Sana, be in mute. Okay. Ready. Now let us start. So today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Okay. So I told you, before starting the chapter, I just wanted you to refresh your mind. So we are going to play a mind game. Okay. Right. So first listen. How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? In a week, there are 7 days. Is that right? Am I right? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, what are they? Can you tell me? Please be in mute and tell. Come on. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So these are all the these are all the 7 days are there in the week, right? Okay. Now come to this question. First listen carefully. First listen. Don't give your answer. First listen. If yesterday means the day which it was over. If yesterday was Friday, then what day will be tomorrow? I'll repeat the question. If yesterday was Friday, then what day will be tomorrow? First, you find out what is today. If yesterday was Friday means what day today? Today is Saturday. Then what day will be tomorrow? If yesterday was Friday, today is Saturday, then what will be tomorrow, children? Can you guess? Can you see the options given? Saturday, or is it Sunday, or is it Tuesday, or Monday? What day will be tomorrow? Can you find out? If you found the answer, can you please type it in the chat box so that we'll feel happy also? Yes, Sunday is the right answer. Children, now listen how you have to find out. First, you have to find what is today. Then only it will be easy to find out what will be tomorrow. See, yesterday means the day which got over, finished. So, yesterday was Friday means today will be Saturday, correct? Then find out what will be tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Is that clear? Did you all enjoy okay? So when you get a free time, you just play like this so that you will not forget the weekdays. Okay? Play with your mom and dad or your sisters or brothers. Yeah? Okay, children. Now let us start our important session. Lesson number 5, division. Lesson number 5, division. So how to pronounce this? D-I-D, V-I-V, S-I-O-N. Division. Division. Okay, finished? It's going to be very easy. It's going to be very, very easy. So, but I want you all to focus on the screen. That's all. And hear my voice. Okay? When we corrected your paper, we felt very happy because multiplication sentence, everything was right, almost. Everyone have done very beautifully. Super. So the same way, you listen this concept also, it will be very easy when you're going to give exam on division chapter. Yeah? Okay, let us start. Division symbol. First, we have to learn the symbol of division. First, I'll tell you what is division. First, you learn what is the symbol. You know what is the symbol of addition? Plus. Correct? Very good. Then what is the symbol of subtraction? Simply slipping line, minus, that's all. Very good. Then what is the symbol of multiplication? Yes, correct? Yes, or otherwise we can call it as into. Very good. Now we are going to learn the symbol of division. Very easy, children. Put one sleeping line and put two dots. One is on up, one is down. That's all. Put two dots. One is on up and one is down. Come on, do it, do it. Write it. I told you, no, have your rough notebook and pencil along with you. Come on. This is the symbol of division. Clear, children, now? Symbol is clear? Symbol is clear. Any doubt in this? I hope symbol is very clear for all. Very easy. One sleeping line, two dots. One is on up, one is down. That's all. This is the symbol of division. Very good. Now come to what do you mean by division? Division is nothing but very easy, children. What our mummy will do. See, if mummy has 2 chocolates or 4 chocolates, okay, mummy has 4 chocolates now, okay, brother and sister, 2 children are there. She has to give equally to both, correct? Or otherwise one will started to cry, right? So she has to equally divide. See, I'm using that word, divide. So she has to equally divide that chocolates. How she will do? She will give 2 to you and she will give 2 to your brother or sister. So totally 4. Correct? If she has 4 chocolates, again I'll repeat. If she has 4 chocolates, she has to divide equally. I'm just stressing on that word, equally to you and your brother or sister. So she will be giving 2 to you and she will also give 2 to your brother or sister. Now equally divided, correct? So this concept comes here. So division is nothing but sharing into equal parts or groups. And repeat, division is sharing into equal parts or groups. That's all, children. So this you have to keep it in your mind. This you have to keep it in your mind. That's all. Division means sharing into equal parts. Okay. So whenever we are asking questions, what do you mean by division means, you should able to tell that. Sharing into equal parts or groups. Clear, children, now? Now what we learned? We learned what is symbol of division. Now what it means, that is what division means. We learned 2 things, correct? Are you all clear? Any doubts? Okay, let us move on to terms of division. Okay, terms of division. Very easy, children. Don't get panic, because as we are learning, see, in addition chapter also we learned terms. Correct? Can you type it in the chat box, please? I wanted to check your memory power. How many of you remember that? Come on. How many of you remember that? What is the term? In addition. Addition. I'm talking about addition. Addend. Right? Okay. Sum. Correct? Okay. Very good. In multiplication? In multiplication? In multiplication? Multiplicand. Multiplier. The answer we used to call it as product. Product. And in subtraction? Subtrahend. Subtrahend. The answer we will call it as difference. Do you all remember all these things? Yes. The same way we are going to learn the terms of division. Thank you for your answers, children. Thank you. Back to your class. Back to your class. Focus on the screen. Yes. Hear my voice. Hear my voice, please. Now listen. Terms of division we are going to learn. Okay, first we have learned what is the symbol. Second, we had learned what is the meaning of division. Division is nothing but sharing into equal parts or groups. Now we are going to learn the terms of division. Okay, now listen. Listen to my voice. Please listen to my voice. Dividend. Dividend. So this is the first term, dividend. The second term is divisor. Divisor. The second term is divisor. The third term is quotient. Quotient. I want you all to repeat. Be in mute and repeat. Open your mouth. Come on. Then only it will be familiar. The terms will be familiar to you. Practice. You will get practice. Dividend. Divisor. Quotient. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Clear? So these are all the three terms that you have to remember. And one more term is there, reminder, that we can see later when we are calculating the division sum. Clear? Okay, now as of now, you just keep in your mind like dividend, divisor, quotient. Now I'm going to tell you what it means, dividend means. What dividend means. Okay, we are going to see each and every one what it means. Okay, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Oh God, new terms. It's very easy, children. Don't get confused. It's very easy. Take a deep breath, relax yourself and sit. Okay. Now I'll tell you what is dividend. Dividend is nothing but the number to be divided is dividend. The number to be divided is called as dividend. I'll tell you with an example. Okay. Divisor is nothing but is the number that divides the dividend. Okay. Next, quotient is the answer. Quotient is the answer. Or answer, or otherwise we can call it as quotient. It's very simple. Okay. Right. Now we will see with an example. Now look at this picture. Look at this picture carefully. Okay, we have plants. Okay, we have few plants are there on the screen. Okay, now total how many we have, that is called as dividend. Totally how many plants we have, that is called as dividend. For example, now count and check. 1, 2, 3. 1 second, I'll change the color so that it's very easy for you to identify. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many total plants are there? Total means all together. All together you have to count. Come on, count. How many plants are there? I just counted. 15 plants are there, correct? So 15. That number is called as dividend. Total. You just keep this in your mind. Total is called as dividend. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Dividend means total. Total means dividend. You just keep it in your mind. Right. Finish off. Now, what do you mean by divisor? Again, divisor is very easy, children. Divisor is very easy. Now, I'll tell you what. Divisor is nothing but the equal parts. The equal parts. Equal parts. Now, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many groups or parts? Groups. Okay, we can call it as groups, okay, because it will be very familiar to you, that word, groups. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. So that number 5 is called as divisor. Divisor. So divisor is nothing but groups. Divisor is nothing but groups. Okay, now tell me what is dividend? Dividend is nothing but total. Divisor is nothing but groups. Now comes to quotient. Quotient is nothing but each plant will be there in the group, right? So how many plant are there in each group? 3. So that 3 is the quotient. 3 is the answer. Quotient, or otherwise we can call it as answer. Finish? Over? Right? Now I'll show you this. See. Now look at this. I told you, no? This is the answer slide. Now listen. Dividend is nothing but total. So totally how many plants are there? Totally how many plants are there? 15. Correct? So that is called as dividend. Over? Finish? Right. Now divisor is nothing but groups. So how many groups? See children, you have to remember one thing. Equal groups. See, in one group, it should not be more. In another group, it should not be less. Equally, you should divide. I told you, no, if your mama has 4 chocolates, if she is going to give 3 chocolates to your brother and 1 chocolate to you, well and fine. You will feel happy? No. You will feel happy when you are getting equal sharing. Correct? The same way, division in division concept, equally the group should be shared. Okay, right? So now listen. Dividend is nothing but totally how many plants are there. So 15. Now divisor is nothing but how many groups are there after dividing. How many groups are there? 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Right? I'll annotate and I'll show you. See here. Dividend is 15 total. Divisor is 5 groups. Quotient is 3. 3 is nothing but each group. Each group, how many plants are there? 3. Over? Finish? Any doubt? Now, how will you write the division sentence? You know how to write the multiplication sentence. Now you are going to learn division sentence. How you are going to write the division sentence? Very easy. So 15, that is total, nothing but dividend. The symbol should come. The symbol is here, division symbol, sleeping line, and 1 dot should be on up, 1 dot should be down. Okay. Now the next one comes 5, that is groups. Now what is the answer? In each group, how many plants are there? 3. So this is called as division sentence. 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. I'll repeat. I just wanted you all to repeat. I'll also repeat. You also repeat. Okay. Come on, open your mouth and say 15. Very good. Superb. Divided by 5 equal to 3. So this is how you should say the sentence and you should write the sentence. Okay. So now today only we are starting the concept. So as we are keep on learning, it will be very easy. So as of today, you just concentrate what we are teaching. Okay. So we'll keep teaching this. Don't worry. Okay. Right. So this is how you have to write the sentence. Now we'll move to the same kind of examples, but here we have roses. In previous slide, we had plants. Here we have roses. Now you just give a try. You just give a try. Give a try, I'll help you. Don't worry. Now you have to write a division sentence. But for that, you have to identify what is dividend, what is divisor, and what is quotient. And only you will be writing the division sentence. Correct? Come on. First, dividend. Dividend means what I told you. Total. Dividend means what I told you. Total. Now come on, total. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct?
10 இருக்கு. Divisor அப்படினா
1 2 3 4 5.
divisorனா 5. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும்? ரெண்டையும் என்ன பண்ணனும்?
Ma'am, time limit yourself, ma'am.
பண்ணனும்.
Divide பண்ணலாம்.
எந்த டைம்? சொல்லு. இங்க பாரு 10 divide 5 equal சொல்லு
Okay. Parents,
2 க்கு 15
parents, can you please mute and teach
Answer
your
to mute, ma'am.
எங்க போற எது வரைக்கும் சொல்லணும்
I
எங்க
can't
போற
able to mute, ma'am.
அப்ப 2 இங்க.
புரியுது
Dear parents, thank you so much. Okay.
Yes.
Please be in mute and teach. Thank you. Very good. I'm so happy that you are also following our concepts. Very good. So simultaneously, if you are also going to teach your children, it will be very beautiful. Yeah, they will understand more. Yes, we are felt very happy. Very good. Thank you so much, parents. Right. So dividend is nothing but total. So how many total roses are there? 10. Wow, good. Fine. Finish. Now divisor is nothing but groups. Divisor is nothing but groups. So how many groups are there? How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Correct? Yes, 5. Divisor is groups. Finish. Over. Now quotient. In each group, how many? 2. That's all. Now we found dividend, we found divisor, we found quotient. Now it's very easy to write this sentence. Come on, how to write? 10 divided by, don't forget to put the symbol, divided by 5 equal to 2. So this is our sentence. Division sentence. So repeat. 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Okay, clear? Right, very good children. Those who have done in your notebook, those who are doing, very nice. All deserve stars. Very good children. Now see the answer. Dividend is 10, divisor is 5, quotient is 2. So division sentence here we will call it as 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. That's all. So today we learned what is mean by division, what is the symbol, and how to write the division sentence and the terms also. Clear? Right. Now over to Rubini ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Vani ma'am. Yes. So children, everybody sit straight first of all. Some of them are not sitting straight. I could see you. Everyone sit straight? Yes. Okay. So here you are all going to take your workbook now. Everybody take your workbook, children. I'm going to give only 1 minute time. Meanwhile, you should all take your workbook and open the page number 26. Page number 26. Those who have taken, please give your thumbs up. Take the page number 26. Yes? Ma'am, did I am getting the thumbs ups?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. So first, where we are in the chapter division chapter. Yes, it is division. What is division, children? It's nothing but equally sharing. Equally sharing. Okay. Yes. So divide the, here read the question. Divide the leaves into 5 equal groups. Divide the leaves into 5 equal groups. So first, look at the image. How many leaves are there? How many leaves are there? Shall we count? Yes, everyone count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many? 15 leaves are there. Okay, total count of the leaves. This we are going to divide into 5 equal groups. How many groups? 5 equal groups. So first shall we write the sentence for it? Yes. So what is the first thing? Dividend. First we have to write the dividend. Total count is dividend. That is 15. Now we are going to divide it into equally share. Divide is nothing but equally share. Into how many groups? 5 equal groups. Okay. Now shall we find the answer? Yes. Okay. Are you all ready? Yes. So first see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal groups. Can you all look into it? Okay. Now I divided the leaves, 15 leaves into 5 equal groups. In each group, how many? In each group, look at the each group. How many leaves in each group? 3. That is the answer. 3. Total count is dividend. How many groups we are dividing? That is divisor. And what is the answer is nothing but quotient. Children, you should all learn this, spellings also. Earlier, what you have learned? Only the terms. But now you are going to write the answer it like this. Dividend, divisor, quotient, and one more term you will learn later. Okay. So this you are going to write it. So you have to learn the spellings too. Okay. Dividend, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, dividend. So what is the dividend? Total count. So what is that? 15. Divisor. What is divisor? Groups. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups we divided. 5. And quotient. What is the quotient? In each group, how many leaves are there? 3 leaves are there. So that is the quotient. It's nothing but answer. Here, answer is quotient. Okay? Yes? Shall we look the other sum? See. I'm divided and each group got 3 leaves. Okay. Now let's look into the next sum. Next sum is B sum. Everyone read the B sum. Divide. D-I-V-I-D-E. Divide. Okay. Divide the leaves into 4 equal groups. 4 groups we are going to divide. 4 groups we are going to divide. Okay. So totally how many shall we count? Yes, everybody count and type the answer. How many leaves are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally 12 leaves are there. 12 leaves are there. That is the dividend. Yes. Now, how many groups we are going to divide? How many groups? Equal groups? 4 equal groups. We are going to separate it as 4 equal groups. Now, if we separate 4 equal groups, then how much in each group? Shall we check? Yes. See, I'm going to draw here. Okay. Yes. Okay. See, I'm going to divide into 4 groups. Okay. I'm going to count and do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I took only 4 leaves and divided into 4 equal groups. In each group, 1 is there. But I have remaining is there. So I'm going to take another 4. Then 5, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. Now again I have remaining and it is sufficient to share equally into 4 groups. So again I'm taking. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in each group, I divided. So in each group, how many? In each group, how many leaves are there? 3 leaves are there. Exactly, children. 3 leaves are there. Yes? Shall we look now? See, now I'm going to divide here itself. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 groups are equally divided. In each group, 3 is there. So what is the dividend? Yes, everybody type in the chat box. What is the dividend? 12 is the dividend. Total count is dividend. Divisor. What is divisor? Equal groups. How many groups we divided? 4 groups. So 4 is the divisor. And what is the quotient? What is the answer? 3 is the answer. Is it clear, children? Any doubt in this? Yes. Here comes your answer. Okay. Now we'll move on to the question number C. Question letter. Sorry. Okay. Now divide the leaves into 2 equal groups. Yes, it's your turn, children. It's your turn. Divide the leaves into 2 equal groups. We are going to divide the given number of leaves into 2 equal groups. So totally how many groups are there? How many leaves are there? Sorry. How many leaves are there? Yes, count and type in the chat box, children. How many leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 leaves are there. Okay. Now we are going to divide equally share. Okay, share into 2 equal groups. Here 2 equal groups, ma'am, as given. So 2 equal groups. Then if we divided into 2 equal groups, how many will be in each group? Shall we check? Shall we check? I divided A, B. Okay, shall we draw and check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. 8 leaves I have. So I separated into 2 groups. In each group, how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves are there. Okay? 4 leaves are there. So 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. Is it clear, children? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Girija ma'am, kindly unlock everyone, ma'am. So dividend is 8. Divisor is 2. And quotient is 4. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt, children? I expect the doubt.
Clear, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Clear.
Okay. Okay, very good. If you are all clear, then I'm so happy. Okay? But I thought one more, anyone can ask this question, but nobody is asking. For example, 1 minute, I'm sharing the whiteboard. 1 minute. Yes. For example, I'm going to give the activity, so I'm just explaining here this. Okay, for example, I'm having 9 leaves. 9 leaves. Okay, and I am going to divide into 2 equal groups. 2 equal groups. Okay. So, how can I divide? Can I divide equally? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 after 9. I have only 1 with me. Can I divide this into 2 groups? No. So what I will do, I will have leave with me. I won't share with the groups because I could not share into 2 groups. Only 1. No, that is not correct. Okay, you cannot tear the leaves. Okay, if you want to equally share, if you are taking any count, okay, that should be equally sharing count. Unless otherwise, you should not share into half and half. You can stop in between. Okay, now here comes your activity. Okay, this you are going to do in your scrapbook, children. Everybody listen. Don't ask me later. This you are going to do in your scrapbook. What you are going to draw, I am just showing. Okay, see, you are going to draw 2 cone ice cream or 2. You can take 2 on your own choice. You can draw baskets and can draw the bananas and keep it over there, or chocolates, wrappers you can stick. Okay, it's on your choice. Here I am just showing one example here. You are going to draw cone ice creams, 2 cone ice creams. Over the cone ice creams, you might have nuts, cherries, yes, all those things for the decoration. Yes or no? You all loved it. Yes. Here you are going to some count in the box. You are going to take some counts. That papers you are going to cut and keep it. Any color papers, red, like that. Any papers you can take, or you can take baskets. You can draw baskets. And you can have the chocolate wrappers. Old chocolate used wrappers will be there. No, that also you can take it as a count. That's your choice. Okay. This you are going to do. Take some count. Okay, which is equally sharing. You can take 2, 3, but it should be equally sharing count. If you are taking 3, you can take 9, 6, 15, like that, which is equally sharing. Then you have to take that wrappers or pebbles or paper cuttings also you can take and stick it equally. You can have to share it equal groups. Okay, this is your activity and you have to write the sentence for it. You have to write the division sentence for it. I have written no. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Likewise, you have to write the sentence for it. I'm going to look how many of you going to do this today itself. I will check today. DEF, I will check how many of you going to do today itself. You are going to do in your scrapbook and post it in the Math Google Classroom. Is it clear, children?
Please repeat, ma'am.
Kanna, see, you are going to draw any like cone ice creams or basket you can draw, and you have to paper cuttings. You are going to do any paper cuttings, color papers, or you can color sketch it and cut it. Okay, and you are going to equally share it. Even you can take the grasses like leaves also, small leaves also you can take, and you have to separate into groups. Either it is 2, 3, that is your choice. Okay, now we divided. No, likewise you have to equally share and you have to write the sentence for it. Is it clear now? Somebody asked this doubt. Is it clear now?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Thank you. Will you all do it? Will you all do it? Give a thumbs ups. Will you all do it? Yes, very good. I will look forward how many of you going to do today itself. Today itself. I want all your response.